Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I am joining in with the Tappingflamingo. And each month she gives us a word, and we develop a YouTube video around that word. And this month is flowers. And 4th of July is coming so quickly, I cannot believe it is May 13th. I found these cute flowers with the stars and stripes at Walmart the other day. It was 97 cents, and boy, those 97-cent bundles are getting smaller and smaller. What we're going to do is we're going to make, I'm going to slide this greenery up before I cut it off because it looks kind of good around it. That doesn't have to move that around or something. And then we're going to hot glue this to make hair pieces for a Blythe or a 18-inch doll, any doll really, but that's the size headband I have. We're also going to use a hair clip. I get these at, I don't know if I got these at Walmart or the Dollar Tree, and I thought that would be cute too. I'm going to work with a glue gun, and if you have watched me do DIYs before with a glue gun, you know that mine hates me and burns me and bites me and carries on, so it could be a good show today. I always have an extra glue stick out because just about the time you get going and everything's perfect, you will run out of glue. So I always have that there. This is real simple. If you're using these hair clips, what you want to do is open it up so that you don't glue it shut. And simply cover it with glue at the far end, the thick end, and add your flower the way you want it to go in the hair. Your clip will go into the hair that direction. So you want your flower facing this direction. And then just fluff your flower a little bit and it's ready to go in the hair. I made this headband for my little hippie. That was a CCC. That is a collab challenge and contest with Peace Craft Dolls, Tammy, Polly, and I. I love this little girl. I love her little outfit. Hippies is what we had done. And the way I made her little headband, Darren prints these on the 3D printer, but you can use any type of headband or even make one out of wire. And I'm going to make her one for 4th of July with the stars and the stripes. I'm going to put this, well, maybe I'm not going to put that back in. Okay, well, I'm not. Not this time. And you want to kind of offset it. It's kind of cuter that way, rather than right on the top of the head. Add your first flower, and then shove your second flower into the first flower so that when that dries, they sit close and not far away. Then go to the back of your headband and not only add to the band itself around the flower, but also glue that flower down. Glue them together and glue your leaf down, and then come around this side. Oh, see what I'm saying? Then you add a little bit between the petals so that it stays forward and doesn't fall back. Very simple. And these will last a lot longer than real flowers. Let's try it on her. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please follow the hashtag and take a look at all the other videos that will be created today using the hashtag listed in the description. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.